Imagine you are driving your diesel truck on a freezing cold morning, and suddenly, that dreaded check engine light pops on, perhaps sending your vehicle into a limp mode where it feels like it has no power at all. You pull the codes and see P20C0. It sounds complicated, but essentially, your truck is telling you that its emission system is shivering. This code specifically points to the reductant heater B control circuit high. Now, let me break that down into plain English for you. Modern diesel engines. Whether you drive a Ford, Dodge Ram Duramax or a Mercedes Sprinter, use a selective catalytic reduction system, or SCR, to meet strict emission standards. This system sprays a fluid, commonly known as diesel exhaust fluid or DEAF, into your exhaust to clean up nasty nitrogen oxide gases. But here's the catch. That fluid is mostly water and urea, which means it can freeze when the temperature drops. To prevent this, your car has little heaters inside the DEAF tank and lines to keep the fluid liquid and flowing. The code P20C0 means the computer, often called the PCM, has detected a voltage spike in the heater circuit, designated as B. It is seeing too much voltage, which usually indicates an electrical issue rather than a mechanical one. If you ignore this, your particulate filter could get clogged, and the whole ESC or system could shut down, leaving you with a very expensive repair bill. To tackle this, you are going to need a decent scanner and a digital multimeter, or what we call a DVOM. Start by popping the hood or crawling under to find the DEAF tank and heater connections. You are looking for burnt wires, corrosion, or anything that looks melted. If the visual check passes, you will need to clear the code and see if it comes back immediately. Sometimes these are intermittent glitches. If it stays, use your multimeter to check the power supply to the heater. You should be seeing battery voltage. If you have power, the next step is to check the heater element itself for resistance. If the heater is burnt out inside, it will not complete the circuit properly. Also, do not rule out the controller itself. Sometimes a software update from the dealership is all it takes to fix a glitchy sensing parameter. It is a bit of a detective game, but checking those wires and the heater resistance is your best bet before replacing expensive parts.